Herbal medicine remedies eases childhood developmental disorders. We are quick to label school children who barely merit passing marks as slow learners. Well, it's a reality that some kids underperform at the academe to acquire new skills at a much slower pace than the rest. But did you know that learning difficulties can also be a symptom of a recognized developmental disorder called attention deficit disorder, ADD, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD? According to statistics, over 2 million teens are inflicted with either disorder, while 5% of schooled pre-teens have been confirmed to be carriers of ADD or ADHD. Is your child a slow learner? He might just be part of the ADD and ADHD statistics. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. This way you can get more of my video. ADD is a recognized developmental dysfunction that manifests during childhood, affecting an individual's natural ability to focus, concentrate and be attentive. ADHD likewise falls under the same category and definition, but otherwise characterized by an extreme state of hyperactivity. These disorders may be outgrown at the onset of adulthood, while others carry the dysfunction throughout their lives. Quite easy to define, but then again every parent out there is obviously on the lookout for a remedy other than the usual prescription of stimulant medication such as Ritalin or Concerta that would avoid the risks of grueling behavioral side effects. Incidentally, modern-day herbalists and clinical psychologists have today tapped the therapeutic benefits of herbs and homeopathic ingredients extensively used in many naturopathic herbal remedy formulas, among them the ginkgo biloba, Avena sativa, the hyoscyamus and verdeau. The medicinal properties of the above-mentioned herbal remedies and homeopathic treatments have been recognized in the practice of ancient healthcare systems such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Consequently, this wisdom is reapplied today in the manufacture of standardized herbal supplement formulas to produce natural and holistic treatments for developmental disorders such as ADD and ADHD. Unlike psychiatric drugs, herbal supplements such as Bright Spark, ADD and ADHD, and Focus Formula, ADHD, do not operate to artificially stimulate the senses. Instead, natural remedies work in synergy to revive proper brain and nervous system functions in order to restore routine focus, concentration and attentiveness while stimulating healthy behavioral responses and eliminate touchy, restless moods in your child. Remember to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. So in case your child consistently finds it difficult to cope up with scholastic demands despite efforts to better his marks, or helplessly restless to the extent of fueling constant troubles at school and even in the home, then perhaps it's time to consider the likelihood of developmental disorders distressing the cognitive and behavioral spheres of your child's brain. And if diagnosis confirms the condition, follow it up with the regular intake of ADD and ADHD herbal supplements today, or forever endure the harsh labels and related troubles pertinent to that of a slow learner.